Well, India is looking forward to this clash, and we're going to cut across to various sectors there, getting the reaction from the cricket fan. And joining me from Delhi is my colleague Rishika Barua from Kolkata. Indrajit joins me, Rasesh Bandani from Mumbai, while from Ranchi it is Rohit. Let's quickly cut across to the national capital, New Delhi, where my colleague Rishika is there. She's got a fair bit of cricketing fans with her. Rishika, what are people expecting? If you do look at it, if the Indian team was told before the World Cup that the quarterfinals match would be set up against Bangladesh, well, they would have been happy. What is the fans saying?
Well, Preeti, I'm just going to throw that question right over to the fans. What do you think is going to happen in the match tomorrow? Is India going to win? India is going to win. Who are your favorite players?
Favorite player is Kohli and Dhoni.
Kohli and Dhoni, favorite players?
Yes.
And India is going to win against Bangladesh?
Yes.
Pakka. And are you going to watch the match tomorrow?
Yes.
So tomorrow is a working day, it's a Thursday.
Holiday.
Okay, so they've declared that it's a holiday. What about you? India rocks. Kohli and Dhoni rocks. Kohli and Dhoni. Are you watching the match tomorrow? Most probably. Most probably. Okay, that's a hard-working girl there, but these two gentlemen here have decided that it's a holiday. What about you boys? Are you watching the match tomorrow? Okay, and you prepared a song to cheer India on. Can I hear it now?
दुनिया के धक्के छुड़ा दे हर इंडिया वाले छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले.
Okay, so there you have it. Pretty fair bit of excitement here. They are convinced that India is going to win. Virat Kohli and Dhoni touted to be the favourites. So clearly there is a lot of fun that people are already having. They've declared it's a holiday tomorrow in anticipation of that big quarterfinal.
You know, we're going to come right back to you, Rishika. We were just showing, Mahendra Singh Dhoni's captaincy record. We're also going to come down to the question of who's their favourite player from the Indian team. Of course, it seems to be Virat Kohli where Delhi is concerned. We're going to ask that question to Rishika. But let's go to Ranchi, where, of course, Mahendra Singh Dhoni hails from, and Rohit joins me from there. Rohit, what kind of reactions are you getting in? What kind of support for Captain Marvel Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Well, Preeti, huge excitement is building up in Ranchi right now because this is the hometown of the captain of the country, of Indian team, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And right now we are at the Meccan Stadium and massive excitement. People here are cheering for Dhoni because he is the local boy and he's also called the Rajkumar of Ranchi. And several people here shouting slogans for Dhoni. क्या लगता है कल के मैच में क्या होगा?
कल के मैच में इंडिया जीतेगा और धोनी का शानदार सेंचुरी होगा.
कौन से प्लेयर सबसे अच्छा कल खेलेगा?
सुरेश रैना खेलेगा, बहुत ही जबरदस्त खेलेगा. और विराट कोहली एंड धोनी सबसे अच्छा खेलेंगे और हमें ये है कि बांग्लादेश को हरा देंगे बहुत ज्यादा रनों से.
Gentleman also who's prepared a song for Dhoni. Just give.
अनहोनी को होनी कर दे, होनी को अनहोनी, अनहोनी को होनी कर दे, होनी को अनहोनी. क्रिकेट फील्ड पे खड़ा हो जब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी.
Preeti, Dhoni is the local boy here and he is the favorite and people are banking on him and they want that once again Mahendra Singh Dhoni should bring all the laurels to this city.
All right, Rohit, just coming right back to you. So, yes, Virat Kohli in Delhi, Mahendra Singh Dhoni in Ranchi. But I want to go to Indrajit, who's in Kolkata. Indro, what are the fans saying there? The Bangla pride clearly a little divided or all behind the India team?
Well, that's right. It's a tough choice for Kolkatans here because even though their heart is going to beat for India, a piece of their mind will surely be for Bangladeshi Tigers as well. Let's get in a view from Kolkatans here. You think Bangladesh is actually going to throw up a good challenge to India this time?
I do believe there are chances, but it's 70-30 what I feel is. 70 for India, 30 for Bangladesh. But as far as batting strength and bowling experience, what we have got, Bangladesh is no challenge for India.
Especially given the fact that India has been on the roll and this side is really looking in good touch.
Yeah, it has been unbeaten till now, and I do believe India is going to go up to the final because of the performance which they have done in the past World Cup. It's just amazing. It's just
what about the emotional connect? You are in Calcutta, you are a Bengali. For the first time, Bangladesh has reached quarterfinals. It's history for them as far as Bangladesh is concerned. So do you think that they will be able to do something, and how divided are you in your loyalties?
My ancestors are from Bangladesh, and I would say that a little part of my heart is supporting Bangladesh, but mostly it's for India, and I want India to win because Bangladesh has been playing very well, but still it's India.
So it's going to be a tough fight between the Hilsa and the Rasgulla. Who's going to win?
It's always Rasgulla.
So there you have it. That's the sense on the streets of Kolkata. A bit of a tussle between the Hilsa and the Rasgulla. People will definitely find it a little difficult to balance their emotions once the match begins tomorrow.
You know, Indra, stay with me. Cutting right directly to Rasesh Mandani from Mumbai. Rasesh covers cricket very closely as well. Rasesh, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Like I was telling Rishika earlier, that, you know, if the Indian team would have figured out that they were going to be facing off with Bangladesh, they would have been a happy lot. What kind of fan reactions? Of course, away from Ranchi and Delhi, where we saw those screams were supporting India, Kolkata were a little bit divided. What are you picking up in Mumbai?
First things first, Preeti, no divided loyalties here, and unlike Calcutta, here of course people are going to be supporting India all the way, and another factor, this is the first time in a long time that India is going into a World Cup without the Mumbai boy Sachin Tendulkar. So, you know, they would be banking on the likes of Rohit Sharma and Ajinkya Rahane to come good. And you were making the other point about India being happy about facing Bangladesh in the quarterfinals. Yes, they would be, but they have earned it with the 6 victories that they've got. Let's get a perspective of what the Mumbai cricket fans thinks about, you know, this game. आपको क्या उम्मीद है? यहाँ तक भारत को क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में किसने जिताया है? गेंदबाजों ने, बल्लेबाजों ने, कोई एक खिलाड़ी ने? क्या सोचते हैं आप?
रोहित शर्मा को कल का गेम खेलना है, उनको सेंचुरी करना है।
रोहित के अब तक रन्स नहीं बने, ये बड़े मुकाबले में उन्हें रन्स करने हैं, आपको लगता है?
नहीं, कल का मैच बहुत ही टफ है, तो कल उनको खेलना होगा हमको इंडिया को जिताने के लिए।
और आप इसी जज्बे के साथ चीयर करेंगे या कुछ क्या माहौल होगा? बट आप अभी काफी क्वाइट, शांत लग रहे हैं आप सभी। आपके क्या उम्मीद है? ये मैच यहाँ से 3 कदम दूर है भारत फाइनल जीतने से।
इंडिया तो जीतेगी। इंडिया के हाथ मनगढ़ में बहुत ताकत है, वो ताकत से खेल।
ज्यादा ताकतवर कौन है इस टीम में?
सबसे ज्यादा ताकतवर धोनी है। सबसे ज्यादा धोनी है।
आपको
धोनी है, टीम अच्छा है।
धोनी, आप क्या कहेंगे?
धोनी, यस, रहाणे, अजिंक्य रहाणे,
विराट कोहली। So Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, Rohit Sharma, some of them thinking that it's time for Rohit Sharma to come to the party. He has his bat. And the talking, you know, this World Cup has been long waiting for, but the sense one gets is people are excited, and they're not just looking at it as a quarter-final game, Preeti. They look at this as a 3 steps away from victory.
Well, you're right, bang on, Rasesh. Just stay with me, you know, because the question that Rasesh asked to the people, I want to ask each of our reporters in all these 4 cities, and also exactly how will Delhi celebrate watching the match there, India's quarter-final with Bangladesh, Kolkata and Ranchi as well as Mumbai. Rishika, it's over to you. What do Delhiites feel? Which player will be the key to success for India?
Okay, I'm going to throw that question across to our fans. So which player do you think is going to be the key to India's success?
It can be Dhawan also. He has gone for 2 centuries. So Dhawan and Mohit Sharma has been bowling so nice. And we will beat Pakistan in semi-finals, and we would love to beat Pakistan in semi-finals. And we'll win finals also.
Let's get past the quarter-finals. Who are the favorite players according to you?
Shikhar Dhawan.
Shikhar
Dhawan. Kohli.
All right, Kohli and Shikhar Dhawan.
Back, there are
Rishika, how is Delhi? How will Delhi watch the match tomorrow?
How is Delhi watching the match tomorrow, guys? How are you watching the match tomorrow? What are you doing?
Having food with our friends.
Having food with our friends, and the gentleman here declared it a national holiday, sir. It's a national holiday.
My office is closed.
Your office is closed. I'd love to work for you, sir. What about you?
My office is also closed.
Office is also closed. What about you?
We'll be watching in our clinic.
In your clinic. Okay, ma'am, how are you going to watch the match? How are you going to watch the match? Are you watching the match?
Yeah, sure.
Chutti tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, so Delhi has declared it a holiday. This gentleman here, I'm going to apply to him for a job now. He's declared a holiday in his office.
Well, I'm afraid, Rishika.
Clearly, Preeti, celebration.
Yes. Well, I'm afraid, Rishika, not a holiday for us. For those of you who want to get the best reactions while the match is on and after, well, this is the place you want to tune into. Our sports team getting you. India enters the quarterfinals, facing off with Bangladesh, and let's get perspective from that one person that matters most, and that is the Indian cricketing fan. It is over to my colleague Rasesh Mandani. Rasesh, how would Mumbai like to see India script their victory in quarterfinals?
Well, pretty 4 years back, India, not too far away from here, India won the World Cup at the Wankhede Stadium, and now looking at the enthusiasm that we've seen through this World Cup, the sense one gets it that they're determined that India will keep the World Cup back in India itself. Everywhere in Australia, the Indian team's gone and played. They've got the support, and there's no doubt that this Indian cricket fan behind me is going to be supporting the Indian team vociferously tomorrow as well, and the rest of the two games. Fingers crossed, they can go all the way.
All right, fingers crossed, they can go all the way. That is Rasesh. Let's cut across to Ranchi. I don't quite want to ask you, Rohit, but who's the most popular player that Ranchi is supporting you? We all know it is Mahendra Dhoni's hometown.
Well, let's do a small rapid fire with the fans here from Ranchi. क्या लगता है कल performer of the day कौन होगा?
सर विराट कोहली, सुरेश रैना, शमी अहमद, कैप्टन धोनी ऑब्वियसली, सब कुछ।
रोहित शर्मा खेलेगा कल, जरूर खेलेगा, सेंचुरी।
धोनी, शिखर धवन।
There are supporters for Dhoni, but there are also people who are supporting Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan and Suresh Raina.
All right, Indro, will it be Hilsa or Rasgulla?
Well, that's the big question that Kolkata needs to answer tomorrow. I'm really confused at this point in time. So let's put the question to the Kolkata fans. Is it going to be Hilsa or Rasgulla? India or Bangladesh?
India, of course. Of course, we are divided because Bangladesh is our neighbor and we share a culture and history. But, of course, our heart is with India and I'm wearing blue, so India all the way.
So there you have it. A confused state of mind as far as Kolkata fans are concerned. But they are, at the end of the day, they are saying they are going to root for India.
All right, well, let's hope, Indro, you can mail us back in the main studio a whole box of Rasagullas tomorrow evening once India does script history, does script a win there in the quarterfinals. For now, gentlemen, Rasesh, Indro and Rohit Singh from Ranchi, appreciate you joining us.